Hey, what's up y'all? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Shamiriel. If this is your first time here, if it's not, then thank you for coming back. I wish I could lie to you and say, oh, so many people asked for a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing here in my last vlog, and that would be a lie. My girl Autumn J saw my makeup in my last vlog. She said she liked it and she wanted a tutorial. So Autumn, here we are. Thank you for noticing my makeup. I appreciate it. Especially because I have been wrestling with the thought of no longer doing makeup tutorials on my channel, because I mean, I'm not a professional, I'm just a girl who likes to plan makeup and blah blah blah. So all of that to say, I was thinking about not doing it, and then you asked and it made me feel special, so here we are. The look is super simple to achieve because you know that's what I do here. So if you want to see how I got this look that I'm currently wearing, then please continue to watch. Little disclaimer, it's super cloudy and rainy here in Atlanta. It's been raining all week, so I wrestle a little bit with my lighting, so if it gets a little wonky, if it's wonky now, just bear with me. Sometimes some clips I have the light on, some I don't, blah blah blah. So again, just bear with me, but this is the end result. And yeah, thank you for taking the time to watch. If you're not already subscribed, please do that and like the video and share it if you feel the need. Okay, I've been rambling long enough. Again, thank you for watching, and until my next video, peace. We are beginning this look by applying the MAC Prep and Prime Primer, rubbing it into my skin and making sure it's in there and absorbed and all that good stuff. Now we are going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. I am in the shade 5W1 Bronze, and I will be using a brush from IT Cosmetics to apply it. This foundation is one of my top 5 favorite foundations. I love it so much. And oops.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Yep. Yeah. That just happened. It sure did, girl. But this is why we wear cheap tank tops when applying makeup. And this is also why we keep baby wipes and napkins nearby, because shit happens and I'm clumsy. But you know what? The show must go on. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. So I think I was trying to say this earlier and then I got distracted by the fumble. Yes, this is one of my top 5 favorite foundations. I love the coverage. I love how long it lasts. I love how flawless it makes my skin appear. And yeah, they really did that. Estee Lauder, you did that. Not that you'll ever see this video, but whatever. Okay, so next up, we are applying the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. I am in the shade Medium Deep Warm. And I turned off my light because, as I said earlier, I'm trying to figure out, you know, is the natural light the way to go or the light that I have on? And as I edited this, I realized that the light being on was the way to go. So live it, learn it. But as you saw earlier, I also like to let my my concealer dry just a bit before I blend it in. And I used the other end of that brush. And I am applying Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set the foundation. That's one of my OG favorite setting powders. It's not too yellow, not too white. Okay, girl, leave the light alone. Figure it out. Dusting that away with Kat Von D's powder foundation. I can't remember what shade I'm in, but if you're interested, I'll figure it out and let you know. But yeah, just brushing the yellow powder away and also setting my foundation at the same damn time. And then we're going in with Fenty's setting spray to set. I think that pencil, that eyebrow pencil I'm using, I think that's from Maybelline. Yeah, it's from Maybelline. I'm doing this voiceover after I did basically, I'm doing this voiceover days after I did my makeup and I put everything away. So now it's like, wait, what did I use? But yeah, I can tell by the label. It's a Maybelline eyebrow pencil. So just filling in the brows, nothing spectacular there. Now this is one of my favorite palettes I'm about to show you here in a minute. It's the Tarte Tartlet Toasted Palette. It smells amazing. The shades are so my jam. And I'm going in with the shade Latte and a fluffy brush for my transition shade. But yeah, these shades are gorgeous, and I'm sniffing the palette as I'm doing this voiceover, and it smells good. I can't describe it, but yeah, it smells good. Very pretty palette. So just going back and forth with Latte. Next shade I'm using is Warmth. And I know for a fact, I can tell by looking at this brush that I'm using right here, it's a NYX brush in wax. And if my hands look ashy, it's because I wash my hands before I do my makeup and after. So if you see ash, just ignore it. Oh, you ain't gonna focus? No? Oh, okay, cool. Anyway, this shade is called Fireside. And it's a matte brown shade, and I'm just dabbing that on the outer corner of my lid with, I think this is a Morphe brush from their Rose Gold or something collection. Is it sad that I can tell by looking at them? I'm like, yep, that's a Morphe, that's an It, that's a NYX. But I mean, these are brushes that I use often, so I guess it makes sense. But whatever. We're just basically taking a little bit of that Fireside and applying it little by little instead of just going in with a lot of it on the brush from the jump, if that makes any sense. So again, just taking a little bit at a time, getting that shade deeper and deeper and deeper. Because it's easier to blend it and make it work instead of applying it all at once and then trying to fix it if you fuck it up. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Ooh, and here's the star of the show. I've been loving this. It's the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. It's hard to read this label. This is the shade Park Avenue Princess. And I am just taking my finger. I do not have nails on for once, if you can believe it. So I'm taking Park Avenue Princess on my ring finger and applying that on the part of the lid where I do not have that matte brown color Fireside. And then I'm trying to kind of merge the two together so they can mesh well and blend, and it won't be like a hard stop for the brown, all of that. So just trying to marry those two together, and then taking whatever of that paint pot that's left on my finger and putting that on my bottom lash line. And then I'm taking, I know for a fact this pencil was from a BH Cosmetics collection from years ago, and just taking that brush and taking more Fireside and putting that on my lower lash line. This is just a little random sample of a Benefits. No, that's a NYX eyeliner pencil. That's what that is. Okay, now what's happening? Oh, I'm putting on lashes. They are the Ardell Natural Lashes number 174. You know those are my jam. I have multiple pairs of that particular lash because they are bomb. And I actually had a relatively easy time applying them today, or on the day that I recorded this, because you know some days it's hit or miss, but we hit it out of the park this time. This highlighter is from Juvia's Place. It's so pretty. And I still don't know the name right now. But again, if you want to know, just ask me in the comments and I'll get back to you. What am I doing? Oh, showing you the lashes that I was previously discussing. Okay, girl, what's happening? Why did I edit it this way? Why am I talking to myself like, okay, there we go. All right, now we're putting on the highlighter. This color is so pretty. And that brush that I'm using to apply it is a Morphe brush. Yes, it's a Morphe brush. So when you're doing the awkward poses, that's how you know the video's done. And I was looking down because I was recording on my phone at the same time, but whatever. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Hope you're having a good one. Till my next video. Bye-bye.